Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Hank, and if you'll just look at the time, it's Magnum Monday. And today, I have a Ruger Blackhawk chambered in the notorious 44 Magnum. And a little short video today, but I sure do like big iron. First look at the Ruger Blackhawk. Oh, this is a Super Blackhawk. Forgive me. Ruger Super Blackhawk. It is a single action 44 Magnum revolver with a 5.5-inch barrel. This thing, well, if you know what a 44 Magnum is, I don't have to tell you. There's thousands of videos across YouTube about the 44 Magnum. And today, I'm gonna blast some crick water. Let's get into it. Safety first. Functions beautifully. Let's go get our crick water. He fell down. Crick water has been eliminated. It's safe to say that crick water is very, very fun. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that about does it for this video. Pistol shooting a little high and to the right, but I think I figured that out now. So, what do y'all think of the Blackhawk? And tune in next week and I'll be here again. Blast some more crick water and a gallon of mayonnaise. Thanks for watching.